Oh, it's kind of melted. Hiya folks, this is Michael from Ireland and my channel is What's in Michael's Bag. It's a comedy food challenge. Hurrah! Drum roll please. Right, as you know, regular viewers know, and there's only one or two of you. I've been away a while and no one noticed, you buggers. No one mentioned it in the comments. Yes, I've been watching. Yeah. Right, I don't think oh spicy. Plain omelette, oh my god, what's this? A plain omelette, chips, burger, a few sausages, what's wrong with that? Oh, Reaper chocolate. Look at that, folks. Ah, there's more writing on the back. Carolina Reaper milk chocolate. I haven't got my glasses on, so I can't read it. Carolina, there we are, folks. That's in America somewhere. North or south, I don't know where it is. Somewhere in America. Carolina Reaper chocolate. Right, a friend at work gave me this, so I'll have to try it for my comedy film challenge. Right, there we are. I'll take a big bit for you, folks. Right, here we are. Carolina Reaper chocolate. Now, here's Dad to give me a hand if you haven't noticed. Yeah, you've been away as well, Dad. What were you? I don't know what you were doing in the pond with your duck friends. Yes, right. Carolina Reaper chocolate. Right. Oh, missus. Ah, God. I took too much. Oh, God. Let's send the bloody back to Carolina. Whatever it is. Oh, yes. My eyes are gone again. Please subscribe and not be alive. Oh, guys, it's burning my mouth. Yes, he tries to help, but it's kind of melted. It's more like acid. Oh, missus. God. Hey, it's lots in there, folks. You'll agree, I ate lots. God. Oh, the eyes. Yeah. The eyes again. I'm always doing it. I swallowed it. Let me give you that question of the day. Confuse the mind. For all non-thickoes who can't. Which part of your body wouldn't you mind losing? God. Put it in the comments below. I'll put that down for a minute. God. Carolina Reaper milk. Which part? Look at I'll have to take those off for a minute because. Yeah. Look at that, folks. I'm bloody deformed. I won't mind losing these things. Fatty tissue, apparently. I haven't got an ounce of fat. That's a part. I've got them all over. Big lump down there. Yeah, missus. Sort of go for this. You get value for money here, folks. Comment, share, like, press buttons. Share if you care. Oh, by the way, bit of variety for you folks. Every Friday, I'm doing the fast food reviews. I'm going to McDonald's and I'm going to get the spicy one. Some kind of spicy burger thingy-majig. Tune in Friday. I'm going to try and swallow this quickly. It might be less painful. The chocolate's nice, huh? I've had lots. Oh, God. That's the end of the show, folks. I do a comedy food challenge every Monday and Friday.
Please subscribe in order to feel alive.
I've got some new toilet paper, so I'm just about to use it. The bowels are gone. Thank you for watching from me and Daz. Bye. See you Friday. Bye.
Thank you.